Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I am unboxing Xiaomi 11 Pro 5G mobile. New latest model in 2020-21. For more detail watch full video. Don't skip or don't forward. Without your wasting time, let's unbox. This mobile I buy from Jerry bookstore. As you can see here, Xiaomi 11T Pro, crystal blue color, 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage. Let's unbox first. Finally open. First I get this instruction manual and mobile cover, pin for removing SIM. This is 120 watts hyper charger, only in 18 minutes 100% charge, little bit heavy also. This is type C cable. Let's talk about the mobile. In this mobile, 108 megapixel Pro grip camera, 120 watts Xiaomi Hyper charging. About display, 120 Hz AMOLED Dolby Vision supported display. Alright guys, turn on first. First I will select the language, English. Click to next. Choose your registration. Terms and condition to agree. Checking for SIM. SIM I will put later. I will connect to Wi-Fi. Let's talk about camera. Main camera 108 megapixel, ultra wide camera 8 megapixel, tele micro 5 megapixel, self camera 60 megapixel, battery 500 mAh. Internal storage 256GB, screen size 6.67 inches, height 164 mm and width 176 mm, thickness 8.8 mm thickness, processor 3.0 GHz. One more thing, there is no headphone jack in this mobile. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Tell me about this video in comment section below. Like, share, subscribe and thank you for watching.